Gwa m okwu ka m nụrụ na ntị nne.
Hello, this is the second video in a three-part series intended to give a crash course on the Igbo alphabet for learners. My name is Ifanaya, and here with me is Uchenna, who will help us take a deeper look into consonants in the Igbo alphabet. Uchenna, KJ.
Ifanaya, ndewo. This video should be much more straightforward as we're going to build on what we learned in the previous video on vowels and also look more closely at consonants in Igbo.
So for an overview of what we'll discuss today, we will start by giving a formula that can help pronounce any Igbo consonant and even letter apart from the vowels. Also, we will highlight a subtle change in pronunciation that occurs when two of the same vowels are used together. And lastly, we'll take a more specific look at how to pronounce the ng letter in Igbo.
Yes, so let's quickly recap the Igbo vowels as this will come in handy for a formula for pronouncing consonants in Igbo. They are a, e, o, u. Now let's take a look at that formula. Ifananya, can you explain it to us?
Sure. So this formula is actually quite simple, and literally after getting it down, one can be able to pronounce any Igbo consonant with ease, or almost any Igbo consonant with ease. So this formula, as you can see on your screen, entails you taking the sound a letter makes in the English alphabet, then you adding the Igbo E sound to it, which actually would be pronounced as E. When two of the same vowels are spelled together in an Igbo word, that song has a bit of a pronounced or elongated sound to it. So you add that to the sound that you would make in English, and then you will get the Igbo pronunciation.
Yes, thank you for that, Ifananya. Let's explain what we mean. So let's take this letter B. If we follow this formula, then this is what we'd get. B plus E gives you B. If we take the D letter, D plus E gives you D, or F plus E gives you Fe, and so on and so forth. And so without just giving the rest of the consonant sounds, we'd like you to try and figure out the sound first. So we'll have a letter appear on the screen, give you a moment to try and pronounce the sound, and then tell you the pronunciation. Let's begin. As stated before, there are 19 consonants, and we already went over the first 3 consonants. So picking up from where we left off, we'll start with this letter. So Ifananya, G plus E.
Then this letter will be pronounced as Gi,
H plus E.
He,
J plus E.
G,
K plus E.
Ki,
L plus E.
Li,
M plus E.
Mi,
N plus E.
Ni.
Good. Let's skip this next letter for now. We'll come back to it.
Okay.
P plus E.
P,
R plus E.
Ri,
S plus E.
Si,
T plus E.
T,
V plus E.
V,
W plus E.
We,
Y plus E,
Ye,
Z plus E.
Z.
Great. I hope that was clear for you to follow.
Definitely. Now, there was one consonant that we skipped and that we said that we'd come back to, and that was the ng consonant. So this letter is found in many other languages and can be explained in Igbo language as making a sort of ng sound. So sort of like the sound that you hear in words like longing or singing. So if we take the NGs that you hear there, you would say something like longing, with singing. You have and that makes that sound.
Yes, thank you, Ifananya. It's sort of like the end sound, but it comes from the back of your throat.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see some examples of words in Igbo that have this consonant. There's angoli, angoli, which means happiness.
Angoli.
Mhm.
Ekutremia.
Ikutreya.
Okay. Okay.
There's the verb ingo, ingo, which means to drink.
No. No. No.
Ingo.
Ingo.
And one more word, ango, ango, which means bee.
Ango. Ango.
And that's why you have manango, which is like bee oil. The literal translation is bee oil, but it really means honey.
Oh, I
Can you
see.
say manuango?
Mano ango.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. So that concludes this video on consonants. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Just consider the sound that the letter makes in English, use our formula, and then also keep in mind with this more tricky sound here, the different tips that we have given you as well. We look forward to seeing you in the next video where we will take a deeper look at digraphs or double consonants in Igbo. Ngwanụ. Till next time.
Que mesiano.